Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2020 Buick Enclave. On this Buick Enclave we're going to go over the procedure in which you do to be able to start your vehicle manually. Say your key fob battery is dead and you need to be able to get into the vehicle. You would start with by accessing your manual key. See, this is all key fob. You hit the button and won't unlock the door or do anything because your key fob is dead. So then you'll need to access your manual key, be able to open it up and pull it out. And then once you pull it out, there's a little indent right here on the bottom of this little cover. You'll be able to pop that cover, be able to insert the key, and then be able to unlock the door by twisting it a quarter turn to the left. Now once the door is unlocked, you'll be able to open it up, and now you're going to get in to drive your vehicle. And so we used the manual option to get into the vehicle, and now we go ahead to try to start the vehicle. So you tap the button to start the vehicle, and it's telling us that there's no remote detected because the battery in our key fob is dead, so it can't communicate with the vehicle, and we don't have the option of a manual turn key to start the vehicle. So what you need to do is you need to put your key fob in the location that it can communicate with the vehicle. Sometimes they're on the dash in different vehicles. On this vehicle, it's in this center console. And so what we need to do, you'll see your center console here, and you need to press the tab to unlock it, pull up this console. If you have stuff in here, you would need to clean that out. And you will see right down there at the bottom of the console a little indent. Just be able to place the key inside that and let it sit there. And now come back to standard way you start your vehicle by pressing the start and stop button and also putting your foot on the brake, and your vehicle will start. Okay, so we have our start stop button, which is right over here. We're going to press it. So it's communicated with the vehicle, saying that we have it here, and tells us to press the brake to start. Now you would have to continue to do that until you replace the battery in your key fob. You will always need to have that manual start-stop option by putting your key fob down there until you replace the key fob battery. So that's how you can manually start your vehicle if your key fob battery is dead. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.